Your gut controls more than your digestion. It controls your mood, your energy, your immune system, and most people are destroying it every single day without knowing it. Here are 7 gut-healthy foods that actually repair your digestive system from the inside, and number 5 on this list is the one most people have never even considered. Stay with me. Your gut is home to over 38 trillion bacteria. When that bacteria is balanced, everything works. Digestion, immunity, even mental clarity. When it's off, bloating, fatigue, brain fog, constant sickness. The fastest way to fix it is through food. Number 1, yogurt, but not just any yogurt. Regular yogurt is fine. Greek yogurt with live active cultures is a completely different thing. Those live cultures, called probiotics, are literally living bacteria that colonize your gut and push out the harmful bacteria causing your digestive problems. Look for the label that says live and active cultures. Without that, you're just eating flavored milk. But here's what most people get wrong about probiotics, and it's why yogurt alone isn't enough. Number 2, bananas. Specifically, slightly underripe ones. Here's the thing nobody tells you. A fully ripe banana is mostly sugar, but a banana that's still slightly firm, it's loaded with resistant starch, a type of fiber that your stomach can't digest, so it travels all the way to your colon and feeds the good bacteria directly. 1 banana a day is enough. Don't overthink it. Number 3, ginger. This one's been used as medicine for over 2,000 years, and modern science finally caught up. Ginger speeds up how fast your stomach empties, which means less bloating, less nausea, less that heavy feeling after eating. Fresh ginger and hot water. That's it. 10 minutes before a meal. It changes how your entire digestive system responds to food. Now we're getting to the ones that actually surprised researchers, including number 5, which most doctors didn't take seriously until recently. Number 4, kefir. Think of it as yogurt's more powerful older brother. Kefir has up to 61 different strains of bacteria and yeast, compared to the 2 or 3 you find in most yogurts. It's fermented, it's tangy, and it's one of the most studied probiotic foods on the planet. If you can handle dairy, 1 small cup of kefir daily can rebuild your gut lining faster than almost anything else on this list. Number 5, and this is the one I mentioned at the start, sauerkraut. Just fermented cabbage. But here's what shocked researchers. A study from Stanford University found that people who ate fermented foods like sauerkraut daily had significantly higher gut microbiome diversity after just 10 weeks, more than people who ate a high-fiber diet. More diversity in your gut bacteria directly means stronger immunity and better digestion. And sauerkraut costs almost nothing. 1 rule, it has to be unpasteurized. Pasteurized versions kill all the bacteria you're buying it for. Number 6, chia seeds. Drop 2 tablespoons of chia seeds in water and watch what happens. They expand into a thick gel. That gel is exactly what happens inside your digestive tract. It slows digestion, feeds good bacteria, and keeps things moving without any cramping or discomfort. 2 tablespoons a day. Mix them into anything. One of the easiest swaps you can make. And the last one on this list, it's something most people already have in their kitchen, but almost nobody uses it correctly. Number 7, garlic. Raw garlic contains inulin, a prebiotic fiber that feeds the good bacteria already living in your gut. Think of probiotics as the bacteria, and prebiotics as the food that keeps them alive. The catch? Cooking destroys most of the benefit. Crush 1 raw clove, let it sit for 10 minutes, this activates the compounds. Then add it to your food at the end, not during cooking. That 1 small step makes a significant difference. You don't need all 7 at once. Pick 2, add them this week, and feel the difference within days. If this helped you, send it to someone who's always dealing with bloating or digestive issues. That's the whole channel. Real fixes, not fluff.